Ethan Gracie.
You're being braver.
I don't have one on my arm, do I?
I don't see one.
Okay.
At least she's being braver than Richie. Richie, what happened to your mighty hunter? You're always so traumatized about it. You see a bunch of bugs and boom. Why are you so scared of them? They're cicadas. They're not gonna hurt you. Do you have some traumatic event involving cicadas? I don't think there's many of those in the city. See, look, even Gracie's being braver than you. That can't feel good.
Poor Gizmo's just over here being traumatized because Eddie attacked him.
He's trying to be as still as possible. There's nothing.
He's like, ah, there's one on me.
You're gonna fall, Richie. This is. Why are you so traumatized? I kicked the bin on X.
You kicked the bucket.
Why is he so jumpy? What about the Richie?
Uh-oh, they're escaping. Ah, they're escaping.
Richie, I'll give you comfort that you clearly need. Richie,
Okay.
Richie. Are you coming back to face your fears?
Oops.
Richie's just watching.
Richie's
It's like, you're scary.
like, my brother's gonna die.
Probably just hoping to kill Gizmo, honestly.
Oof.
It's quite curious, isn't it, Gracie? She's like, yes, quite curious indeed. What you think, Eva?
Don't knock it on the floor. I don't want to go chasing after it.
I don't think it's going anywhere terribly fast. Oh, Richie's back.
Go.
What do you think, Gracie?
Oh no! There's a wing.
Oh! Well, that's awkward.
Oh, poor cicada.
Sure there's not cicadas escaping? I think there's cicadas escaping, Molly.
Yeah, I know. They're kind of all over the place here. They don't go far.
Yeah, they don't.
They're cute. Look at how cute.
Come on, touch buddy. It's killing me. It's killing me, Richie. You just gonna do nothing?
So yeah, that's the plan.